Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the assets and context, confirm the image format, and decide whether you will embed it or reference it externally. Once decided, open Report Designer in Visual Studio or Report Builder and load the target. RDL. Make sure the dataset and layout are ready so you don't interrupt data regions. Now add an image control from the toolbox to the desired location on the design surface. This first step ensures placement and resource choice are settled before configuration. You now configure the image control. Open properties and set source to embedded, external, or database depending on your choice. If embedded, import the file into the report's resources. If external, enter a full URL or expression. If database, bind the binary field. Next, set value to the resource name, URL, or field expression. Make sure MIME type matches image format and pick sizing, fit, clip, or fit proportional. Once done, add alt text or tooltip for accessibility. You finish by previewing the report locally and then deploying it to the report server. Make sure embedded images deployed with the report. For external images, verify the server can access the URL and that permissions allow anonymous or service account access. If the image fails, inspect the image value expression and server logs and test the URL in a browser. One key troubleshooting tip: if permissions block access, either host the image in a permitted location or embed it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.